Welcome to SKD Coaching Center. Today we are going to solve Set 3 MCQs. We start with question number 1, section 8, biology. The carbohydrates which are not used immediately in plants are stored in the form of A. कार्बोहाइड्रेट जो प्लांट में यूज नहीं होता है वो प्लांट में कौन सा फॉर्म में स्टोर किया जाता है? आउट ऑफ द ऑप्शन स्टार्च, शुगर, फैट एंड प्रोटीन, आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए, स्टार्च. Move to the next question. Move to question number 2. Despite being a multicellular organism, still shows a simple reproductive method. Select the correct option which regards to reproduction in Spirogyra. Spirogyra कौन सा method से reproduction करता है? Option is sexual होगा नहीं, asexual होगा. Asexual में कौन सा? Reproduction by breaking of Spirogyra into filaments, smaller part. That means the answer is fragmentation. Identify the type of cropping movement that is responsible for the movement of the pollen tube towards ovule in the following option. The answer is chemotropism. Number 4, the genotype of green stem tomato plant is destroyed by capital GG and purple stem of tomato plant by small g. Hybrid of a cross between these were self-pollinated. Self-pollinated yani capital G, small g, capital G, small g. So when they are cross-pollinated, what should be the ratio? The genotypic ratio always tends out to be 1:2:1. Fifth number, select the option that represents the correct balance equation for the process of photosynthesis. इनमें से कौन सा photosynthesis का reaction है? Option is D, 6 CO2 plus 6 H2O in presence of sunlight, chlorophyll gives us carbohydrate, oxygen and water. So the following limit the number of trophic levels in a food chain. Following limit the number of trophic levels. इनमें से कौन सा ट्रॉपिक लेवल में सबसे कम नंबर अवेलेबल है ऑन द ट्रॉपिक लेवल्स? और ऑप्शन विल बी एनर्जी एट हायर लेवल. जितना आप ऊपर जाएंगे हमारा एनर्जी उतना ही डिक्रीज होगा. Question number 7, we are drawn of trophic levels. In the given figure, identify the trophic levels having the maximum concentration of harmful chemicals. इनमें से कौन से ट्रॉपिक लेवल में सबसे हार्मफुल लेवल ऑफ पेस्टिसाइड्स या फिर कोई भी हार्मफुल केमिकल्स होता है? द हाईएस्ट ट्रॉपिक लेवल्स गिव्स यू द मोस्ट नंबर ऑफ हार्मफुल केमिकल्स. आंसर इज T5. Number 8, assertion reason. Blood plasma transport carbon dioxide dissolved while oxygen transport by respiratory pigments. Is assertion true? Yes. Carbon dioxide plasma के through transfer होता है and oxygen through respiratory pigments. Assertion is correct. Carbon dioxide is more soluble in water than oxygen. Is reason correct? Yes. Carbon dioxide oxygen ज़्यादा soluble होता है. क्या assertion को explain कर रहा है? Of course, because carbon dioxide oxygen पानी में ज्यादा प्राप्त होता है. इट मीन्स हेमोग्लोबिन जो भी हमें रेस्पिरेटरी पिगमेंट्स में मिलता है. हमारा ऑप्शन क्या होगा? ए. assertion is true, neither is also true and reason explains assertion. Number 9, there are generally greater number of individual at lower topic levels. क्या ग्रेटर नंबर होता है लो? जितना टॉपिक लेवल नीचे आएंगे तो उनमें इंडिविजुअल्स ज्यादा होता है. रीजन, द ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर इज अ प्रोड्यूसर. यस, assertion is true, reason is true. क्या रीजन assertion को एक्सप्लेन कर रहा है? नो, वी आर नॉट श्योर. आंसर विल बी डी. The reason is not explaining assertion. We'll move to section B, chemistry. Tomato is a natural source of which acid? इनमें से कौन सा एसिड टोमेटो में पाया जाता है? और ऑप्शन इज ऑक्सैलिक एसिड. Number 18, which of the following compound used for the removing of permanent hardness of water? इनमें से कौन सा वाटर हार्डनेस को रिमूव करने के लिए यूज किया जाता है? और आंसर इज वॉशिंग सोडा. Which of the following are decomposition reactions? Decomposition किसी एक चीज को दो अलग अलग हिस्सों में बांटना. KClO3 को KCl3O2 में डिवाइड किया गया है तो 1 is decomposition, क्या इस एक चीज मिलके दो बार? नो. ऑप्शन 2 is not. Third, water is broken in two parts, hydrogen and oxygen. So ये भी होगा. And number 4, no. So our answer is 1 and we got option number C. Number 20, a metal carbonate reacts with solution X, forms a salt water and gas Y. Water X and Y. कोई एक metal carbonate है. It is reacted with solution X. Sodium hydroxide won't react. Sodium hydroxide नहीं. Hydrochloric acid. तो option B तो cancel out the option. We need HCl. When metal carbonate is reacted with HCl, we get metal, some kind of salt, and chlorine. Plus we get water. Yes. And we get gas Y. What kind of gas? Carbon dioxide gas. So where in which option? Option number C. Number 21. When ferrous sulfate crystals are in a test tube, we observe that ferrous sulfate is a green color crystallic substance. When we heat ferrous sulfate, the green color disappears. So out of which option? C. The green color of the salt fades and gas smell of burning sulfur is evolved. Sulfur gas evolved होता है. 22. Sorry. A student noticed that her silver jewelry turned dull and had a grey-black coating over it after wearing it for a few months, which resulted in change in the color of silver. Silver metal बहुत लंबे समय तक नहीं से इसमें black color का layer पड़ता है. We call it tarnish. It is because of what? The jewelry comes in contact with air, moisture, and acids, and corrodes. Because of corrosion of silver, we get the greyish substance on silver. Number 23, when magnesium reacts with hot water, it starts floating on the surface of water. The reason, what is reason of behavior? When magnesium reacts with water, lots of hydrogen gases evolve. Hydrogen gas lift the magnesium. So option is B. Magnesium reacts with water, produces ample amount of hydrogen gas. Moving to assertion reason. Assertion. Carbon shows property of catenation. Carbon doesn't give out electrons or take electron, it shares electron, which is property of catenation. Also, catenation क्या होता है? Ability of carbon to form long chain. This behavior is carbon-carbon bond. Correct. क्या assertion reason को explain कर रहा है? Yes, option will be A. Moving to section number B, physics. Sorry, ABC. Moving to section number C, physics. From the following option, choose the one which gives negative magnification greater than 1. इनमें से कौन सा negative magnification देने वाला है वो भी 1 से ज्यादा. So the answer is concave media जब nature of the image होता है real. A thin beam of white light falls on the surface of glass prism and a spectrum is observed on the screen. Which of the following is correct sequence? जब भी prism से कोई light pass होता है वो spectrum बनता है and that spectrum is in the form of picture. But ऊपर violet, नीचे red. So according to the sequence, the first color should be red. We have red in A and B, C and D cancels out. Then we have orange. We don't have orange. Then we have yellow. Option B, yellow. So option A cancelled out and our answer is option number B. Assertion reason, direction of force exerted on a current carrying conductor placed in a magnetic field remains same if the direction of both magnetic field and current flows conductors are reversed. Magnetic field कैसे ही रहता है अगर magnetic और current flowing को reverse किया जाए? Yes, assertion is correct. Reason, the direction of force exerted on a current carrying conductor placed in an external magnetic field can be determined by using magnetic compass. क्या हम कभी भी magnetic field को magnetic compass से देख सकते हैं? Cannot. So our option number C, assertion is true, reason is false. That's all. Thank you.